boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much. Ladies and gentlemen, especially you ladies out there, you mothers out there, I hope you had a great Mother's Day weekend. I hope you and your family are safe and sound. We're going to talk a little bit here about Russia and Senator Barraso's bill, which is advancing out of the committee today. And we'll see if there's a chance that Russia will be banned from supplying uranium to us, or enriched uranium that we need. But he also needs the money to fund his war, right? So we fund his war by buying his uranium, and he, in turn, we keep the lights on in America. So we have a situation here developing where it's going to come to a head. You have people in Washington that want it one way and the other way, and we'll see if our stocks, which we believe will benefit in the long run. Let's take a look at some of the charts, and let's take a look at some of this price action with our stocks. Let's take a look at the bill here. Once again, thanks for joining me, and let's take a closer look. Ladies and gentlemen, you already know the U.S. support for nuclear power soars to the highest level in a decade. Yes, America is coming around to it. Could Oliver Stone's movie have helped that a couple percent there, here or there? You never know, but there's some things going on right now, and we'll see. America's changing its mind. The West is changing. They're pro for the first time in decades. You've got the majority of people, the Gallup poll says the majority of people, 55% of adults support the use of nuclear power now. So we'll see how that goes. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go to the charts, I wanted to show you a couple other things here. This is the Senate Committee on Energy, Natural Resources. Committee advances Barraso's bipartisan nuclear fuel and his outdoor recreation legislation. On May 17th, he had a good day today. When as a senator, if you get two bills out of a committee, you've done something really, really good in Washington. Today, U.S. Senator Barraso, Republican of Wyoming, the ranking member of the Senate Committee on Energy and Natural Resources, praised the committee for voting to advance his bipartisan Nuclear Fuel Act, S-452, and America's Outdoor Recreation Act, S-873. Now, some of the things that this bill will do, I'm going to leave a link, guys, because there's a lot of things that he said that he wanted to express. But when you go through it, you see some key names like Rosatom, their Russian state-owned nuclear monopoly there, which we don't like, and that other cheap uranium producer, Kazatomprom, who I don't, if you read my books, you know that I don't really have a liking to Russian uranium. I'm not addicted like the West is. Ladies and gentlemen, about a month or so ago, this is what we said about this pullback. Hold on, let me get it a little louder for you.
Oh, this is going to be a good one, guys. All our indicators, all our oscillators are saying that this is oversold. It's overdone. Stocks are way out of the Bollinger Bands and everything else. So we're looking at Energy Fuels, UU. We think a little over $5 USD right now. We're going to be selling it at about $11, like we have done before. Encore Energy, EU, we're looking at, it's a little over $2 now. We're looking at selling it at roughly around $5, taking some off the table. Guys, we've done this before. This is not a drill. This is the same trade that we've made before. We'll take a little off the table when the time comes. That's what we're doing, and we are buying this uranium pullback. This is not stock advice. This group is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I do want to thank you all for your patience with this trade. I mean, it's really challenged a lot of people, this uranium trade. But we've hung in there, and we're going to that fruit, that plant, that seed that we planted years ago, guys. We're going to see some harvest. Our leaders, Cameco, up in Canada. We're looking at a chart. It was up almost 1% today. Cameco, if you look at how we're looking at it here, ladies and gentlemen, we have the black line here, which is the 13-day moving average, this line right here, and that's the 48-day moving average line right here. When the 13 crosses over the 48, going up, you have a short to midterm buying opportunity. When it comes down, it's a short to midterm kind of sell. When it goes down over the 48-day. So we're in good shape right now. We're up, and things are looking good for Cameco. What about Energy Fuels? Energy Fuels also is turning up and looking pretty good. These stocks right now are like on their 13-day moving average, and we'll see if they bounce off that with maybe with this news, this Russian news. You never know, guys, if this stuff is going to get passed or not. Washington, is not a lot they agree on, but we'll see as the days and weeks and months go on. Denison Mines, our baby knockout, one of our leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying all of these, Energy Fuels, all of the stocks that we look at, these stocks are going to be double digits this cycle, in my opinion. You can see the 13-day has crossed over the 48-day, and we're in that time frame right now where we've got a soft buy going on here. Next Gen, the same thing with Next Gen. We've crossed over, and Next Gen is looking good. These are our leaders, ladies and gentlemen, this cycle. They're going to look really good. What about Global Atomic over in Africa, part of our African uranium super trade? It has crossed over also. It's about even. It's just a little battle going on now, but we expect it to curl up and go up much higher in the days, weeks, and months to come. What about Paladin Energy? Paladin's no longer a 3 cents, 5 cent stock when we piled into Paladin, but it is doing well. It's crossed over. And ladies and gentlemen, you never know. This could be the last best buying opportunity for some of these stocks, because the way things are going and the way the technicals are looking, and the world is climbing on board clean energy, and uranium is moving away from Russia to other areas. The way this thing is playing out right now, it's even better than when I was writing books about it and being banned in places like Germany, a few years back. It's even better now than then. UR Energy, it's another one that is right, battling the 13-day, about even with the 48-day or so. I don't like that candle there, that engulfing bearish candle, but it's there. And I believe most of these stocks are going to turn up, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at a couple more. What about Encore Energy? It's pulling back a little bit here. We like Encore this cycle. We believe it's going to do very well, and we believe that it's going to get us. It's going to get us up there. Past performance is not a big performance, guys. So we don't know what these stocks are going to do. I've traded them before in the past, and believe me when I say that this cycle's reduced supply and increased demand is nothing like 04 to 07 when some of these stocks blew up. And we had the same type situation. Interest rates were fluctuating. You could have the S&P 500 from 04 to 07 went up like about 30%. And if you had a basket of uranium stocks, they went up thousands of percent during that time. Like I said, past performance is not indicative of performance, but it is what it is, and that's what it did. What about Uranium Energy, UEC? Let's get you down here so you can see it a little better. It's struggling, going a little sideways, but it will be a leader, just like Encore will be a leader, we believe, this cycle. We'll see how it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, in the next newsletter, I'll be giving one of our carbon credit updates on some of those companies that we selected early on. One of them, I remember, 12, 13 cents. I know Reggie, congratulations. He's got some of this. Blue Dolphin Energy coming. This thing was 12, 14 cents or something, 10 cents, 8 cents, what have you. And they were looking in the carbon credit area, and they decided to go back to their refining business, and they're looking for alternative energy. Whatever they're doing now, the stock is up over $3 now. So whoever's in there, guys, this is one you just hang on to because they are looking in that future area with the capturing the credits. And they are also a company that is starting to catch its stride now. And they're having reporting record earnings for their quarters and stuff. So they're doing good, very good, but it's very, very volatile, as you can see. It's up and down, up and down. Congratulations, like I said, Reg, you're trading this thing. We've talked about it before. It's doing well, and it's a stock to hold on to, in my opinion, at this time. Like I said, if you want those updates and you want to be part of the Scoop team, guys, they get the baby knockouts early. When you order the newsletter, you get the baby knockouts early. And you get one 12, 13, 15 cents. And when it goes up, you reward it and give it a little, water it like it's a plant. And, you never know what will happen. This one's, the way we don't even talk about it. And it's gone from 12 cents to over $3. And I don't think there's any splits involved or anything with this one. It's just, I don't know. It's doing well, put it that way. Shout out to Mark. Shout out to Squiley for the coffee. Appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. If I don't touch you until next week, you have a great week. God bless you and your family. We're staying the course, ladies and gentlemen, with gold, silver. We're staying the course definitely with uranium. We're staying the course with lithium. Lithium, we believe the pullback in lithium is probably done. So our stocks will be headed back up. That's the way it goes, But we'll see. Love you. Take care of you and your family. God bless you.